Yo, Jordan, my name is Shiv, and today we are actually not going to be doing a gaming video. We're actually going to be doing a tutorial video. Surprising, isn't it? So we're actually going to be doing how to make a Discord bot in 2021. This is a super easy tutorial, just in a matter of just 30 minutes to an hour. You'll make your own Discord bot completely custom. So let's start. You're going to first want to make... You first want to go into this website, nodejs.org/en/. Or it's just been linked in the description. And you want to download 17.1.0 or just the latest version. If you download recommended, it's just not going to work as it's not updated fully. Now you just want to press next. You want to accept the license. Next. Now it will say automatically install the necessary tools. Do not install this because Chocolatey is actually it tracks down your IP address and then it delivers chocolate to your door, and then once you bite into it, you get super sick. I'm just kidding, nah. But please do not install it, it's just a waste of time. Press next, install. If you get this screen, press yes. Sorry, my OBS lags sometimes. Must have been a mistake. So now you just have to wait at least, I think, 10 to 30 seconds. So just relax and calm. Perfect. Now you can just press finish, and you're done for Node. So now you have to install Visual Studio Code. Now I'm not going to walk you through it. Actually, I will walk you through it just in case. So press download, Windows, whatever you want, and then it should, yeah, perfect. It should pop up. Press save. They must do exactly as I say, or else this tutorial will not work. So please do. So download complete. Double click. Well, for me, again, it just does that. So just press next. Once you get to the screen where you can choose what options you want, I recommend putting desktop icon on so you can quickly access it. But that's all. Just press next, and also accept the terms of agreement. And yeah, the last thing you need to do is actually make the bots. You want to go. You should go to discord.com/developers/applications. Make a new application and call it whatever you want. I've already made one called British, and just don't do anything for now. So now, this is where it really begins. You're going to want to create a new folder and call it, I'm going to call it, what should I call it? I'm going to call it VS. And then you're going to want to open the folder and then open a brand new command prompt. And you're going to want to do this, CD desktop, but it doesn't work. If that doesn't work, try CD OneDrive. If that doesn't work, then go in. You're going to want to open a new file type. Go to desktop and then find where that's from. So just right click, try to find desktop, and then look, my desktop is in OneDrive. So it might be something custom like your name or something. Just make sure to type that in specifically. So now you can open this. You can open the folder again. Move this over here. Then you want to do CD desktop. And then you want to do CD the folder name. My one is VS. CD VS. Then you're gonna want to do the command npm init or edit. Then you want to let it do its thing. So package name. Just press enter. Version. Description. I'm just gonna put hello. Then entry point, to keep that like sorry, test command, nothing, get repository, nothing, keywords, nothing, author, I'm gonna do Shiv, so coder, license, keep it as what the licenser gives you. Is this okay? Press yes. Let's press enter, and then it should, yeah, perfect. It should give you a package.json file inside of the folder. Now, if that has done and you did everything right, you should have the package.json file. Now you're going to want to type this specific command, npm discord.js. The I is installed, so it's going to install discord.js into the computer. Well, into the folder, of course, not the computer. So if it says warn, like a bunch of warns, just ignore it. If it says found 0 vulnerabilities, that's also good. Now, sorry, you can close this. And you should have node models, package.json, and package locker.json. Now you can also close the folder. Now you want to open Visual Studio and File, Open Folder. Now find the folder you are using. For example, I'm using VS, so select the folder. And it should give you this screen. So node models, these two are actually in node models. So you're going to want to open, not go into these, but actually open a new folder or file and then call it index.js because that's our entry point. Then you're going to want to do these, so these, well, what is it called? These commands. So const discord equals require, so it's going to require this to run. So brackets single tally marks discord.js. And semicolon straight after that. Then you want to do const client. That's client. You want to do client. And then you want to do equals new. That's discord.client. You want to do new discord.client. Then you want to do open normal bracket, open curly bracket, and then enter. Then you're going to want to do this. Allowed mentions. So what you're allowing it to mention. Oh, sorry. So allowed mentions should be open curly bracket first. And then you're going to want to do this. Pass. That, ignore the question mark. Just keep it as pass. Colon. Then you're going to want to do open square bracket, single tally mark, users, get out of it, and then rows. He keeps doing that, man. I'm not sure why. So users rows, and then you want to do comma. Then you want to do replied user. Exactly like so. You want to type it exactly like so. You just don't want to do like, yeah, I can do all lowercase. You have to type it exactly like so. So then true, comma. Then what to do? 2 enters. Then you want to put a comma here. Then you want to go down and type intense. Colon square bracket or open square bracket. Now open tally marks and put caps lock on. Now type this, the following: guilds, comma. Guild underscore messages. Guild underscore presence. Oh, did I get that right? Guild underscore presences, spelled like so. We don't want to. Oh, no mind. So make sure to put commas after every one of these. And then do guild members. Then you want to do, then for the final one, you want to do guild message reactions. And then want to do a comma after that, even though it's the end. And then a comma after this. And then a semicolon right there. So what's this telling us? It wants to require Discord's JavaScript. Then you want to make it's making a new Discord bot, allow it to mention people, users and roles, and then let the intent that it has should be all of these. Now, once you've done that, you want to save it and you want to go to your, never mind, do not do that. Save it for now, save it after this and then do this. So enter, client, that's a Discord client. Make sure to turn caps lock off. Don't be like me. Do client.on. See, it always does that. Client.on. That's not how you do it. It should be inside. Ready. So client.on, ready. You want to do a comma after that. Then you want to do brackets. Then a arrow function. Then you want to do this. Then you want to type this. So type console.log. That's log. Console.log. Brackets. And then whatever you want. I'm going to do bot status. I'm going to make this online. So you can do whatever you want for the console, but that's just what I'm doing. So then you have to do. Now you're thinking, where's the bot part in this? I have no idea how to do the commands. And before we go any further, I would actually like to thank Stacks for actually doing this tutorial. Honestly, I'm just doing everything that he's saying. And this has really helped me because I really wanted to make a bot for months, and now I'm just gonna show it to you guys. And so I don't take full cockiness, I'm gonna give all the credit to Stacks because he is supposed to have the credit for this because everything is based off of Stacks' video. Now to continue, I'm gonna do client.on. Then we're going to do brackets. This message create. So this is like the ping pong function. If you say ping, it's gonna say pong. That's what we're gonna do. So message create. Then we're gonna do async message. Then another arrow function. Then you want to do curly brackets and enter. Then you want to do if brackets message.contents equals Italian marks, whatever you want. I'm going to do the ping pong function. If message.content equals ping, you're going to make basically, now you're going to type in, it sends it. So message.channel, basically that's the channel you send it in, dot send brackets this pong. So ping pong function, that's how you do it, in case you're wondering. Now you want to do client.login brackets tally marks and stop. You're now gonna need what they call a token. So to get the bot token, it's actually very important that you do not show anybody the bot token. So click to reveal token. I'm not gonna do that. You're gonna want to copy this, and then if you're recording, you're gonna want to quickly put it in another tab, and then you're gonna want to get. The reason why we're gonna put it in another tab is actually gonna get something else, the application ID. You want to copy that, and then go into Discord permissions calculator, or just by typing Discord permissions. Well, that's Discord, not Discord. Discord permissions calculator. Enter. It should be the first link, discordapi.com, and then select whatever you want it to be allowed to do. So I'm gonna allow it to do everything, and then you want to put the client ID right here, and then want to click the generated link. Now you want to select a server. My one is gonna be bot testing for Mini. That's an old bot that I worked on. And before you press continue, you actually want to surprisingly open Discord to check if it's actually appeared. So we're going to open Discord, checking for my updates. Very kind of it. You want to go into the server. So my one's bot testing for Mini again. As you can see, I have made a successful one named Shift A Ping Pong, and you want to put this on a side note. Press continue. Allow it to. Don't change anything. Authorize. Beep will beep. If it does that, you're safe. Or it's just going to show you click these to prove that you're human. Just make sure to do it right. Look, British is here. So look, British is right here. But he's offline. Not really good at working, isn't he? We're going to make him work, shall we? So, you want to get it again. You actually really don't have to do the new tab unless you want to paste it off the new tab. So we're going to quickly close that. And you're going to want to press copy. Now, the reason you should hide your token from videos is because if they type the exact same thing but with your token, they can literally hack into it. So I recommend if you're on video, just try to blur it out. I'm not a good editor, so I'm going to show it. I'm not using this bot anyways, but please do not hack into it or else I will report you. So please do not. So it should just be a combination of characters and letters. And then you're going to want to press Tab S. Nope. Tab S. Well, for me, for you, you should do Control S because that will save it. For me, it's Tab S. And then you're going to want to go back to the bot and allow it to do service member intent and presence intent, and then press save changes. That's a very common mistake a lot of people make, because if you don't do that, then nobody's gonna think that it's not, those two options have not been enabled. Of course they haven't. So now you're gonna want to go into terminal right here, new terminal, and of course you're thinking, yeah, the only reason we actually use Node is because of the Node models, right? No, Node is actually the thing that will let it load. All you have to do is type this simple command, Node space dot enter. Yes! So if done right, the console.logs for my one is bot status online should appear. And then, boom! Your bot is online. My one is British. And if it works, if I type ping, it should say pong. Boom! And just like that, that's how you make a responding bot. It's that easy, I know. Not even joking. It's that easy. Now if you close the terminal, I think, yeah, it stays online. So that is how you make your own bot in Discord.js pod 7.1.3 or in 2021 and early 2022. So if I missed anything, please tell me in the comments. But it seems to have worked, so I don't think I've missed anything. If you have missed something, rewatch or just give up. But don't give up. Make sure to try again, because it's taken me months to find the perfect tutorial, aka this one, for it to work. So now, after this has been 5 takes, by the way, so I'm super happy. So for the last time today, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a month-ish.